Here's everything that you need to know about tax refunds when you have prior years of unfiled taxes and when you have tax debt with the IRS. The first rule in claiming a refund is that you have 3 years from the original due date of the tax filings for you to claim the refund. And in order for you to do that, you got to file the tax return. But the 3-year rule with the IRS is called the RSED, Refund Statute Expiration Date. And it is from the due date from the original tax return that was due, or if you filed an extension up until the extension date and there was an automatic extension, you have up until that extended date to still claim that refund. But what happens when you have a prior IRS tax debt and now you have a refund coming your way? And I know this sucks because whatever refund you are expecting, it's automatically applied to the oldest tax year which you have a balance on. I'll use this as an example. Let's say you file your income tax for 2024, but you have balances going back to 2017 and 2018. That refund would automatically get applied first to 2017. If there's anything left over, then the rest gets applied to 2018. But once, if you have even amount after that, and now you do that refund, if you also have no other balances due for any other tax years. But let's say you have no prior balances, and you just have 6 or 7 different years of tax filings to do. If let's say you filed from 2017 all the way to tax year 2023, and you're due refund for 2017, 18, and 19. Because the due date from the 3 years have passed on all those years, when you file and try to claim the refund on filing a tax return, the IRS will send you a letter and a notice advising you that you no longer have a right to claim on that refund because too much time has passed. And this happens the moment you're a day late in filing. The refund statute expiration date has applied and you no longer will get that refund. An exception to this is the 2-year rule. That means if you made a payment, you have a right to claim a refund within the 2-year mark. This is common. If you make a payment thinking that your taxes might be a little higher, you filed a tax return within that 2 years, and you're due a refund, you will get it since you made a payment within 2 years. The other common way where this is acceptable is if you completely made a payment on a particular tax year and you get the penalty forgiven. As an example, let's say in 2017, you owe $10,000. From that, there was $5,000 worth of penalties. If you made a payment today for the full $10,000 and included tax, interest, and penalty, and you applied for a penalty abatement program and they forgave the penalty, they waived the failure to file penalty, the failure to pay penalty, and it got approved. Because you made payment within the 2 years, you get a refund back on that penalty. If you found value in this video, make sure you click like and subscribe. That way you get to see more of my content for tax relief tips. If you're having some tax problems, you have years of unfiled taxes, you have tax debt and collections, or generally you just don't understand your tax situation, we can review your case and see what's the best possible way to fix your tax problems. Comment below tax help, I will reach out, and we could coordinate a free case review.